Hello everyone and welcome back to That Indian Home. In today's video, I'm sharing a few simple yet clever home decor and organization ideas that make everyday living easier and more enjoyable. I truly hope you find these tips useful. And stay till the end of the video because I'll also be sharing a little glimpse of my Christmas tree. So let's get started. The first tip is all about preventing diyas from turning black. Whenever we light diyas, we almost always end up with stubborn black marks that are really difficult to clean later. What I have started doing is placing a small piece of aluminium foil around the area where the wick sits and where the diya is lit. I have been using this method for over a week now and it works beautifully. The foil protects the diya and keeps it from blackening. While we are here, I also want to share a small but very useful tip for your puja area. Keep a few pre-cut tissue pieces handy. Just cut one tissue paper into smaller pieces and use them for quick cleanups. This saves both time and money instead of pulling out a fresh tissue every single time. As you can see, once the diya has completely cooled down, I remove the foil and the surface underneath is still silver and clean. This makes cleaning the diya so much easier overall. Now let's move on to the kitchen. We all love using the vertical space on cabinet doors, but the clink-clank sound every time we open them can be really annoying. The solution that worked best for me is using cork pads and bumper pads. I use these tiny flower-shaped cork pads, but you can also use plain ones and cut them into small pieces. I fix them in place using blue tack instead of glue or tape because it's easy to clean and reposition if needed. For some utensils, bumper pads work even better. These small cushion pads prevent the utensils from hitting the cabinet door directly, which reduces noise significantly. As you can hear, no more clinking sounds. The cabinets look neat, organized, and opening them is finally noise-free. Next, let's move on to this cozy corner near the sofa, one of everyone's favorite spots in our home. The lamp here adds so much warmth, but the wire and switch lying under the stool were always such a hassle to deal with. A simple hook solved this problem completely. It has a strong adhesive and holds the wire securely. You just let the wire rest inside the hook and it stays in place. This one small change has made such a big difference. The switch is easy to reach, the space looks neater, and everything feels more functional. You can try this trick behind your TV unit, in your home office, or even in the kitchen where multiple appliances are plugged in. While we are still in this corner, I want to share something that's helped us be more present as a family. I have kept a few puzzle books, word search books, along with pencils and erasers right here. Since this is a spot where we naturally sit and relax, it becomes very easy to pick up a puzzle book instead of scrolling on the phone. Personally, I feel this also sets a lovely example for our children that free time doesn't always have to mean screen time. It is a small habit, but it makes a big difference. Now let's talk about one of my absolute favorite decor tips. We all have cushions that have lost their fluff but are otherwise perfectly fine. Instead of throwing them away, I simply use two flat cushion pads together inside one cover. The result is one firm, fluffy, and well shaped cushion that looks instantly better. As you can see, using just one flat cushion doesn't look inviting, but doubling them up gives the cushion structure and makes it look more put together without spending any extra money. Lastly, one of my most loved decor ideas, displaying travel postcards and greeting cards. I love collecting postcards and greeting cards from places I visit. They are affordable, don't take up much space, and bring back so many beautiful memories. I like to rotate and display them in different ways. Here I'm using a small wooden frame to display the postcard. I don't stick the postcard permanently. I simply use a little blue tack so I can reuse both the frame and the card later. I also love using plate stands to display postcards and greeting cards, just the way we use them to display decorative trays and plates. You can frame your favorite postcards permanently if you like, but I enjoy switching things around from time to time, so I find these ideas work perfectly for me. That's all for today's video, my dear friends. I really hope you enjoyed watching and found some inspiration for your home through these decor and organization ideas. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I'll see you soon in my next video. But before that, as promised, here's a small glimpse of my Christmas tree. Wishing you and your family a very Merry Christmas and a beautiful New Year ahead. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.
In one horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.